Okay, Odin, what you gotta eat there? What you eating? What is that?
A peanut?
It's an almond.
It's a peanut.
Almond.
You're okay.
Yeah. They're smokehouse. They're really good.
Hmm?
Okay, Odin, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's move this out of the way.
I don't close my eyes.
Yep, close your eyes. Close them real tight. So you have a surprise. Close them real tight.
What is it? Yes! What is this? Out of it!
It's a mystery bag. It's a Ryan mystery bag.
Out of it! Pizza. Out of it. Pizza.
Let's see, which ones are they? Turn it around and show it to me.
Pizza. On the pizza.
Is that the one you want?
Yeah.
All right, let's open it up. Let's see what you got.
I can open it.
Here, let me open
It's
it.
Ryan.
I
Let
know.
me open it.
Okay. I like the pizza one. What am I doing?
All right, Odin. Let him do it.
No, it's because it's for
No, it doesn't. Read that. Read that.
Which one is it?
What is the pizza?
You want to need help?
What? What is this?
It's Gus.
Oh, I got dust. I got dust. Hey, I got.
Show it to me.
Hey.
Show them. No, them.
Turn it around. Let me see.
Dust. Hey.
Oh, cool.
I don't have the pizza one.
Well, we'll have to try next time. Open it up. Let's see.
Let's see.
You know?
No, I got it. Hey! Keep doing this.
You sure?
Yeah. It's flying. It's flying toys.
It's a Ryan toys.